currently I do not have any makeup on my skin, and you can see my skin is like glowing and brighter. Hi, my name is Bhakti. I am from Bangalore. I am a software engineer. Basically, my skin type is like combination skin. Only like T-zone is oily, and rest of the skin is like dry. Initially, I had a lot of dark spots that are like pimples were there. I used to follow some home remedies only to reduce dark spots. But once I got to know like home remedies won't help after a certain time, right? So at that time, you have to consult a doctor for your treatment. Yeah. In that time, I went to Cureskin App, and I have taken the Cureskin analysis of my skin. Then I started using the Cureskin products. After like 3 weeks only, I started seeing the results from the Cureskin. Initially, when I used to go for the analysis and done, like each part of my face had like 6 to 7 red circles, like small pimples or bumps or pigmentation. But currently, I see like hardly 2, 3 red marks when I go for the face analysis. So overall, like from past 3 years, I'm a customer of Cureskin. So in each case, in each concern, it is helping me to resolve and get my skin healthier.